In this video, I'm going to show you how to get old wallpapers on iOS 16. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down for a bit and tap on Wallpaper. Here, in order to add a wallpaper, all I have to do is tap right here where it says Add New Wallpaper, and now I can set any wallpaper from suggested, like features, suggested photos, photo shuffle, and bunch of other different categories. These categories set here by Apple, and the point is that when new iOS version comes up, Apple always changes that categories and that wallpapers packs. So if you want to add their old wallpaper that you used on iOS 15 or older versions, all you have to do is actually find that wallpaper on Google and then use it right there. Let me show you how it works. So I'll hop out of settings and now I'll open up my Safari browser, and then at google.com I'll just enter iOS 15 wallpaper and then hit on search. Then I'll tap at images to search for a specific image that I want to use. Let it be that one. If I want to use that image, all I have to do is open it up, then hold down on that image and hit on Save to Photos. And now that image has been saved to my device, I can go back to Wallpaper Selector and here tap at Photos. Then tap at Albums, Recents, and here I can tap on image that I have just downloaded to set it as my wallpaper. Now I can add there some widgets if I want, and then when I satisfied with my new wallpaper and lock screen, all I have to do is just hit done and then hit on set as wallpaper pair. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.